Paula. Silaira. Manying! Ay, uy.
Romance! Listen and be satisfied.
We will be satisfied, yes, be satisfied.
Be patient till the last.
Romance and lovers. Romance and lovers.
Sa tulo na yung laway ko.
Countrymen and lovers. Romance. Countrymen and lovers. Romance. Countrymen and lovers. Hear me for my cause and be silent. Hear me for my cause and be silent.
Hindi nakikita yung nasa.
Hola! Didn't you make here? Believe in my honor and have respect to my honor. Didn't you make believe? Censure me in your wisdom and awake your senses that you may then judge.
Caligula!
Caligula! Caligula! Caligula! Caligula! Caligula! Caligula! Caligula! Caligula! Caligula! Caligula!
Uy, yung bag ko.
If there be any in this assembly, any dear friend of Caesar, to him I say,
That Brutus Caesar was no less than his. He begged that friendly man, by Brutus, rose against Caesar.
Ano? Ano?
this is my answer.
Your answer? Not that I love Caesar, yes, but I love Rome more. I love Rome more. We love Rome more.
Osh to osh, dust to dust, we hate to go, we gonna must, we must.
Ash to ash, dust to dust. We hate to go. We gonna must. We must. Ash to ash, dust to dust. We hate to go. We gonna must. We must. Ash to ash, dust to dust. We hate to go. We gonna must. We must. Ash to ash, dust to dust. We hate to go. We gonna must. We must. Ash to ash, dust to dust. We hate to go. We gonna must. We must. Ash to ash, dust to dust. We hate to go. We gonna must. We must. I'd be rather she's already deep and die old days. Ah!
Whoa!
And that she's ever dead to leave all free men. To leave all free men. I'm free. As Caesar loved me,
I weep for him,
as he was fortunate,
I enjoy to him.
as he was brilliant, I honor him. But as he was ambitious, I slew him.
Anong kulay nila?
Abedale manachalus, abedale manachalus. Zungale gale gale, zungale gale gale, zungale gale zoom. Zungale gale gale, zungale gale gale, zungale gale zoom. Abedale manachalus, abedale manachalus. Zungale gale gale, zungale gale gale, zungale gale zoom. There is tears for his love, joy for his fortune, honor for his
Bakla na yun na.
Benny, speak for him.
Paula.
I offended.
Paula.
So rude,
Na yun
I'm
na.
gonna be a Roman. Yes, a Roman. Benny, speak for him.
Have I offended?
Who is doing so violent and love his country? Benny, speak for him.
Have I offended?
I fought for her life.
Mahaba naman, Sibil.
Gago, matagal pa yan.
Hindi ka sunod pa?
Mag-isa na lang.
I'm going to stand offended by offended.
Timawa!
Why is this happening to us? Ewan ko.
Ewan.
Ara, the question of Smith should rose in the capital, his glory not extenuated, wherein he was working, nor his friends and horse, for which he suffered death.
Here comes his body, mourned by Mark Antony.
Mukhang bakla yung matay.
Ba't na?
Uwi. Hindi pa yan, gago. Hihina mo. Sira ulo.
Wait, bumalik sa
Hindi mo na na-videoan. Videoan mo ulit. Back mo.
Manyeng! Talaga si Tony. Manyeng! Ang bagal mo kasi.
Video mode mo. Ayan o.
Hindi ako siya. Ay, ganda nga. Ilaw.
Dugdug!
Sadyang itahakan.
Dugdug!
Ilay dangan.
Dugdug!
Tulak ilay.
Einstein. Good countryman. Dug-dug.
May hindi umiga.
Alam ba?
May patay?